guys on YouTube. I've got a brand new Proline iPod docking station. So, let me talk you through the features. You've got volume and buttons here, line in input, mains power input, and the power switch. You turn it on in the back, and then the light comes on. Then I'm going to put my iPod on here. Fiddly. There we go. I'm going to find this, and I'm going to find a song that we can. Find something. Let's do a bit of Eiffel 65.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around, 'cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die. I'm blue, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die, da-ba-dee, da-ba-die.
And I'll cut that there for the minute. Okay, that's my new iPod docking station. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. Bye.